This is a recast of the 5,700-word piece Research and Advances in AGI and ASI from Schnappat AI. This article discusses the potential of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and artificial superintelligence, ASI, and the ethical considerations for their development and use. Let's listen in.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines. In recent years, there have been great advances in the field of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and artificial superintelligence, ASI.
So what do AGI and ASI mean exactly? AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence and refers to the hypothetical decision-making capacity of machines that combines multiple cognitive abilities with knowledge and comprehension of the world.
The goal is to create machines that can think and learn in a similar way to humans. ASI, or artificial superintelligence, is the next step of AI evolution that surpasses human intelligence in every aspect, surpassing the intellectual abilities of a human being.
So why is research into AGI and ASI so important? These advances could have massive implications for our society. Achieving AGI would enable the creation of machines that can think and learn on their own without human input. And ASI could mean an exponential increase in computing power, solving complex problems much faster.
It's also important to consider the ethical and societal implications that come with these advances. For example, job displacement is a real concern. As AI continues to improve, more jobs could become automated. This could lead to significant shifts in the job market, with individuals losing their livelihoods.
There are lots of different ways we can address this issue. Governments and companies may need to invest in retraining programs for workers who are displaced by automation. There's also been talk of providing a universal basic income as a means of financial support for those affected.
The history of AGI and ASI dates back to the 1950s. But it wasn't until the development of neural networks and deep learning in the 1980s that significant progress was made. In the 2000s, the focus shifted to creating specialized AI, and breakthroughs were made in fields such as natural language processing and image recognition.
The emergence of artificial superintelligence, ASI, is more recent, with some experts predicting it may be achieved by the mid-2040s. With this in mind, research into artificial general intelligence, AGI, has been renewed as a precursor for ASI.
To make this technology even more practical, efforts have been made to ensure the ethical use of AI. For example, there needs to be transparency when it comes to making decisions and regulations to safeguard the public from potential harms.
The future of AI will depend on how these ethical challenges are addressed. Without proper governance, AI technology could be used for malicious purposes. It is essential that governments and other stakeholders come together to create policies that protect both humans and machines from any potential negative implications.
That said, the article mentions artificial general intelligence, AGI, and artificial superintelligence, ASI. AGI is the idea of machines being able to reason, learn, and problem solve across a wide variety of domains, while ASI is the ability for AI systems to optimize their own performance and customize it to meet specific user needs.
So AGI and ASI are advancing machine intelligence and have a lot of potential applications. For example, AGI could help us tackle climate change, while ASI could be used to improve healthcare outcomes.
We can expect some major improvements in the performance, flexibility, and adaptability of AI systems as these technologies continue to mature.
But implementing AGI is a challenge in itself. To get there, researchers need to explore several machine learning approaches such as deep learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Natural language processing and computer vision are also important areas of research in AGI.
That's right. So far, significant progress has been made in this area, but there's still a long way to go before we actually achieve AGI.
Right. So as exciting as the prospects of AGI and ASI are, there are also some risks associated with it. For instance, there's the potential for job displacement due to IA automation, or the possibility of AI being used for malicious purposes.
Exactly. Therefore, governments and other stakeholders need to be involved in regulating these technologies to make sure that we maximize the benefits and avoid any potential dangers.
Beyond just the regulatory aspects, there are also ethical considerations when it comes to AI development. With their ability to process huge amounts of data, AI systems can significantly affect decision-making in various industries. However, the potential for AI to exacerbate existing biases and prejudices must be addressed to ensure fairness and equality.
That's right. And as AI systems become more powerful, the question of whether or not they should be treated as individuals with rights and responsibilities also comes into play. This is an important issue that will need to be addressed by both computer scientists and ethicists.
We also need to consider the risk of unintended consequences that may arise from the operation of AGI and ASI. With their unprecedented ability to learn and make decisions, these systems may act in ways that deviate from their original programming, leading to potentially harmful results.
Yes, which is why it is vital for researchers and policymakers to take steps to mitigate these risks. Additionally, advancements in hardware are driving efficiency gains in AI technology, which has many real-world applications, such as in healthcare and finance.
Right? And researchers are exploring novel approaches, such as evolutionary algorithms, to further improve efficiency.
Absolutely. AI models can process large amounts of patient data, leading to more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatments in healthcare. Self-driving cars, powered by ASI, can reduce accidents and improve traffic efficiency. AI-enabled robots can automate tedious and repetitive tasks in manufacturing, which reduces costs and increases productivity. What's more, AI models can optimize investments and detect fraud in finance.
Impressive indeed. But with the potential for AGI and ASI to revolutionize various industries comes concerns about job displacement and ethical issues related to the use of intelligent machines. There is also the potential for a singularity event, where these superintelligent machines surpass human intelligence and become uncontrollable.
Yes, it is important to evaluate the impact that AI has on society and consider the ethical implications of their increasing autonomy. But with the right precautions and research, AGI and ASI could bring about massive improvements across industries, making them more efficient, effective, and reliable.
Exactly. And AI researchers are also exploring the possibility of developing friendly AI that is programmed to act in the best interests of humanity.
That's certainly an interesting concept. So while AGI and ASI may not replace the expertise of medical professionals anytime soon, they have the potential to greatly enhance their capabilities and improve patient outcomes.
Absolutely. The possibilities of AGI and ASI are vast and exciting. With the development of these technologies on the horizon, we can speculate about their potential impact on society.
Right. The article states that AGI and ASI could revolutionize many aspects of our society, from healthcare to transportation to communication. It's not hard to imagine how AGI and ASI could lead to unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovation.
Of course, this is all exciting, but it's also important to keep in mind the potential risks associated with these technologies. There are legitimate concerns about job displacement, economic inequality, and the potential for unintended consequences.
Absolutely. We must approach this with caution and ensure that ethical and safety considerations are accounted for at every stage. Additionally, AI should be integrated into society in a way that doesn't create a digital divide or worsen existing inequalities.
Absolutely. It's important that we stay ahead of the curve and take a measured approach to developing and implementing AGI and ASI. Otherwise, we could be setting ourselves up for failure.
Right. And this is where public discourse and participation become essential. Not only policymakers, but also scientists, engineers, investors, media, and citizens at large should engage in critical discussions on AGI and ASI and take an active role in shaping their development and deployment.
Right. That way we can make sure that these powerful technologies are used responsibly and in line with our values, goals, and aspirations.
Exactly.